Hello everyone, so today we are going to see how to install Python in our desktop or PC. So firstly you have to open a browser. For example, I am opening Chrome browser, and you have to type here Python for Windows, and you will see first website python.org. It is the official website. You have to open it. This website will redirect you to the web page of Python official website, and you have to click on download section, this section, and here you will see the latest version of 3. This is the latest version. So if you want to download previous versions, you can scroll down and you can see here the previous version, so you can download from here. But we are using the latest Python, so we will download the latest Python version. So for I am going to download it from here, clicking download Python, and okay, so this is the .exe file and I have to save it. Now this will be downloaded here. Look, this will be downloaded here. Okay, so as it is downloaded, you have to install it. Okay, so it is downloaded. Let's open it. I will click on it. Convenience or delay in the screen. Okay, so we can go through the default version. This is the default version, or we can customize the installation. So I am going to customize the installation. So here you will see the optional features like documentation, PIP, or IDLE, and Python test suite. So you have to keep the check boxes right over here. Okay, you have to do nothing with it. Now next, so install Python for 3. You install Python 3.13 for all users. So I'm going to download it in my D drive, or you will see the C drive. Okay, so I'm going to use the D drive, and clicking on install, it will install the Python in my PC. So you will click on install and your Python will be installed. Okay, so do this thing, and then for verification that you have installed or not, so for verification you have installed or not, you can uh, go through window R and CMD. Here you will check, here you will type Python version. Okay, Python version. So look, here my Python version is 3.13.2. As I already downloaded it and it is installed on my PC, so it is showing the 3.13.2 version. Okay, so in the same way your PC will also show the latest version. Now to check the IDLE, window S, press the window S, and here type here IDLE. Okay, type here IDLE. So you will see here IDLE. I am clicking on it. Sorry for the inconvenience, my dear. Actually IDLE opens slowly for the first time, and when you work on it, it will open fastly. Okay, so the IDLE has been opened. So I will print here, print welcome to Python programming, and this will welcome to Python program. You can see here it has been printed. Okay, so this is the installation process of Python. Hope you are clear with it, and if you face any problem, please ask. Thank you.